Tonight on the CBS Evening News, Hurricane Dorian thrashes the Carolinas. About a dozen tornadoes reported. Authorities here in Myrtle Beach are worried about wind gusts topping 80 miles an hour.
Stay off the streets. It's very dangerous.
The next 24 hours are crucial. We'll have the latest on where Dorian is headed. Also tonight, the death toll is rising in the Bahamas as Dorian survivors tell us of agonizing waits for help.
My brother's roof collapsed on my sister-in-law. She was trapped underneath the roof for 17 hours.
Breaking news, federal investigators may be zeroing in on what caused a California dive boat to catch fire, killing 34 on board. New tonight, health officials may have found an important clue in those mysterious illnesses caused by vaping. And a mission of mercy to a remote island cut off by Dorian.
This is the CBS Evening News with Norah O'Donnell, reporting tonight from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.